What's up, YouTube fam? I am back with another video, and as you saw by the title, today we're going into Dollar Tree, Dolatra, or $1.25 Tree, to check out their Christmas decor, Christmas decorations, and see what they got for Christmas 2022. If you're interested in seeing what they've got, keep on watching this video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry.
Alright guys, so we've made it in the Dollar Tree, and the first thing we see is some garland. Now all these garlands are $1.25. They got a variety of colors. They also got some bows in different colors. Oh, and I really like these. Are these $1.25? I think these are $1.25. So they got a lot of good stuff up here. They got like some tinsel trees and some stuffed animals. They also got a variety of stockings back here. And it looks like a bunch of gift bags. So if you guys are looking for gift bags for Christmas, don't spend a whole lot of money. Come to $1.25 Tree and get them. They got like big bags, small bags, all different type of bags. They got these little boxes down here, wrapping paper. All right, Dollar Tree. Okay, they got some bells down here. These ones have like a beaded wreath, a beaded handle with ribbons. And these have like a little wreath, some tinsel garland. Oh, these are cute for $1.25. These you can stick into the ground outside of your home. They got a lot of new and cool decorations. This is so cute. I like these too. Alright, they also got glitter reindeer for $1.25. And then the cutout elves. Oh, I like this one. This is the last one. So they got some more decorations here. These I think are more so Thanksgiving, so we're gonna pass by this. Now, look at these, all these ornaments. All these ornaments are $1.25. They even got the packs of different colors. These are like medium size. These are kind of small. They got icicle ornaments. Oh my god, y'all, they got so many different type of ornaments. Oh, I really like these. These are cute. And then you got a tree topper for $1.25. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. I like these. I'm gonna get me a couple of these. These are so cute. And then they also have like foam glitter cutout. What are these called? Snowflakes? Yes, Dollar Tree. Alright, and then on this side, we got more bags and oh, like some little light up lanterns. Those are cute. Let's see if I can turn it on. Oh, y'all. It won't turn on until I take this out. But it should light up. And they do have two different colors. Then it's just like mini lights. They got some LED lights. Just all different type of lights, guys. All for $1.25. Oh, these are cute. They're like little trucks. And Christmas trees. Aww. And candy canes. And then these little metal things. Some metal stars. These kinda match the tree topper. Not really, but kinda sorta. You can make it work if you know what you're doing. Alright. So they got some fabric gift bags in a pack of 3 for $125. 4-piece cups. Cups with a straw. Pencils. And more lighted tree toppers. These little things you can use for candy. Put candy in those. More decorative trees. Oh, these are so cute. Oven mitts for $125. And then some more fabric gift bags. Then you got like the little Rudolph nose that lights up. Little sparkly neckties for $125. And some Christmas hats and headbands. More ornaments. I got this tree skirt. I don't really like this color for Christmas, like lime green. Some berry garland. These are so cute. These are like little globes, snow globes, and candy canes. You can paint them. They come with the paint and the paint brushes. They also do have the trucks, little Christmas tree in it, some stickers. The Christmas trees you color with just marker versus coloring with paint, as well as a snowman. More little signs, and then foam sheet cutout ornaments. Got wood cutouts. You could paint these or glue stuff to them if you want to decorate them however you like to have them. Oh, they also they got these little ornaments that you can fill with what you like and put them on your tree or set them out on like your table or your fireplace or anywhere for like decoration. They got the glittery faux snow. You can use these to make certain crafts. I could put in that bulb up there. More garland to where you can make your own little wreath or whatever it is. It looks very fake. It's very hard. And then they also have wire garland ties for whatever projects you may have, as well as other wood cutouts that you can paint and decorate however you like. All right, and they've got more decorations. This is cute, these doors. They got red and green. This is a Dollar Tree Plus. Dollar Tree Plus, they do have items that are like $3 and $5. They got the bristle trees, excuse me. It's these really big stockings. Those are $3. And again, this is the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. These tree and star felt garlands, these are $5. Big bows. This is really cute. I really like this. How much is this one? $5. Okay. Oh, look at these pillows for $5. This is so cute. Oh my god, I got one hand because I'm recording with the other hand. But let me see. Oh, naughty and nice. These are fire. I like these. I might get one of each. $5 little fireplaces that light up. Metal trucks for $5. Okay, Black Santa. All All right, how much is he? $5. They got the kind in the gray suit or the kind in the red suit. Yes, Black Santa, period. They've got window LED curtain lights, all these cute little soap dispensers. These are $3 each. A ton of ribbon. Poinsettias, you know, poinsettias are like the Christmas flower. And these are $5. And they come in their own little, I guess that's like a decorative vase, I don't know. Okay, black little elves, well, gnomes, black gnomes. They got all different colors. More ornaments and decorations. Dollar Tree is not playing. And then they got some big tree skirts for $5 up here. All right, and then they got these little costumes for your pet, like the reindeer, pet reindeer costume for $5. Christmas pajamas, a pet t-shirt, and the Christmas theme. It's so random that they just got it right here with no other pet items, but yeah. They got more little signs and lighted tree toppers and more garland. And this is going more into Thanksgiving, so we're going to leave out of this area and look for another area that has Christmas items. All right, so the last thing that they've got is these Christmas dishes. Got like Mrs. and Mr. glasses, mugs, plates, little elf glasses that say Happy Holidays. And then they also got some items in boxes. They haven't really got everything out yet. Back here, I got more oven mitts. Oh, it's glittery. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's glittery. So cute. And these are $125. And they also got Christmas socks over there. And then more flowers, poinsettias and stuff. And then Christmas candy. Yeah, that's all this is. It's just a bunch of Christmas candy. So it looks like this location is still getting all their Christmas items out. If you see, most of everything is in boxes still. So this basically just gave you guys a general idea of what you can get for your home from Dollar Tree. So you can, okay, what is this? Some treat bags and Christmas cookie cutters. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's a reindeer, a bell, and a Christmas tree. But yeah. So this is about all that this location has. So make sure that you guys check out the Dollar Tree in your area. That way you can get a lot of Christmas items that look really good but on a budget. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be going to Target as well as Walmart to see what Christmas items they have in stock. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also click the notification bell so that you are notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, happy holidays.